Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for oven baked jerk sweet chili salmon. This is one of those recipes that is so easy, but the flavor is just mind blowing. So let's get into it. Let's make this deliciousness. Alright, we have our salmon pieces here. What I did was I rinsed them with some cold water and lemon juice and then pat dried them. I also rubbed them all over with some olive oil. I just flipped them over skin side up and we're gonna add that nice seasoning on there. Okay, I love Maggi chicken seasoning, so I put it on a lot of stuff, but if you want to, you could use simply salt and pepper, or you could use your favorite seasoned salt or fish seasoning. Just don't overdo it. I'm gonna go in with some freshly ground pepper and I'll add some ginger powder as well. At this point, I'm going to add the jerk seasoning. This jerk seasoning was mixed with a little browning just to help with color. All the details are in the description box below, guys. So all you're going to do is just rub this in thoroughly and flip it over and then repeat the process until all of the salmon pieces are just seasoned properly. You can marinate this for about 35 minutes. If the marinade is very acidic, I'd avoid overnight because then that will start to break down your fish. All right. So I have a baking tray lined with foil. I greased the foil with some oil and then I just lay the salmon down skin side down. And now I'm just going to pour the sweet chili sauce all over. This sweet chili sauce is cool. It's not hot. And I'm using my homemade sweet chili sauce. You could use store-bought if you prefer. Just be generous and pour it all over the fish. And then we're gonna bake this we're gonna broil this rather in the oven. So my broiler is on, preheated already for over 25 minutes, so it's nice and hot. Put this inside and then we're gonna cook this for about 8 minutes. Now this is what it looks like after the 8 minutes. You can use a spoon and scoop up some more sauce all over or on the sides and put it back in the broiler higher, so it's closer to the heat, and then you'll get an even more caramelized finish. And then get it out of the oven and that's it. Finished product. Beautiful, absolutely juicy and tasty. I have more sauce on the stove. You can serve the sauce all over if you want to, or you can keep it on the side. But guys, it is so flavorful. It is really nice, and you can control how spicy it is. Okay, I served mine with some sauteed vegetables. I will be doing a video for those pretty soon, but you could have this with mashed potatoes or rice, whatever you choose. But this is so easy, guys, and it can be as spicy as you want. You can use less or more jerk seasoning because remember, the sweet chili itself has its own heat. But guys, I know you're gonna love it. Okay, just give it a try and then come back and let me know how it went down. Thanks for watching. See you next time.